Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going on another plant-based explosion. And when I say plant-based, I really mean plant-based. So here I have some watermelon skin. Yes, you heard me right. This is watermelon skin that I've used the melon, the fruit part of the melon, and now I'm not gonna waste the skin and I'm just gonna cook up something really nice and delicious with it. So I begin by slicing my watermelon skin. Then I have one carrot and a red bell pepper. Actually, I love the look of this bell pepper. It is like reddish, greenish color bell pepper. So we'll be using just half of the bell pepper because this is just for two people I'm cooking this meal for. So we just go ahead and we slice our carrots and our bell pepper. There's no special way of slicing this. You can just slice it anyhow you choose to slice that. So after we slice them, we're gonna put them aside and then we're gonna start the main part of the cooking. So I'm showing it to you again. This is carrots, watermelon skin, and bell peppers. So in a pan, we put about tablespoon rather, of cooking oil, and you can use any oil of your choice. And then we had the watermelon skin, and we keep stirring because we don't want them to get too burned, but we really want them to fry. So as you can see, the color is changing a little bit. It's gonna be like just like you frying a regular meat. You just can fry it more crispier if you want to, or you can just leave it the way like how you see me doing it here. So after frying the watermelon skin, we go ahead and we add our carrots in and we give it a good mix. Then we cover and allow it to steam for about 5 minutes. Onions and we had our bell peppers. I know you didn't see me slice the onion in the preparation, but I did slice a white onion. We had it together and then we give it another good mix because we want all the flavor to come out in this recipe. Then we had our favorite covered spices. Here I'm using sea salt, garlic granules, black pepper, and that is all the spices I'll be using in this recipe today. Then we cover again and we steam for another 10 minutes, after which we had our mango sauce, and this is Anne's homemade mango sauce. You can order it on my website, which is www.imcookingandmore.com. Go ahead and order this sauce right now. It is so delicious. So I had the mango sauce to it, and look at this, guys. Who would tell that watermelon skin can turn into a nice, delicious family recipe? Now it is time to plate up and enjoy this delicious, full plant based vegan recipe. And if you want to turn it into a meat eater recipe, you can go ahead and add some prawns to this, and then you can have it your way. So I'll be serving this with some Moroccan couscous, which I buy the pre-made Moroccan couscous, and all I had to do was just do it in the microwave, and I serve it alongside. And I'm telling you, this was so delicious. And as always, I said, whatever I make, you feel free to give it a try and let me know how yours turn out to be. This was really delicious, and we are going to enjoy it together. So, are you ready to eat with me? Let's eat together. You can see me getting down and enjoying my watermelon skin recipe. This was delicious, guys. Give this a try, even if you're not vegan, because as I said before, I am not vegan, but I just enjoy cooking up a plant based storm in my kitchen. Until I come again, this is I'm Cooking and More. So thank you for watching and God bless you as always. And don't forget to go and order your sauce on my website at www.imcookingandmore.com. See you again. God bless and bye bye.